I'm Laura of All Trades, and today I'm at the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Hey! We found you! I'm still thinking about it.
Can I have the Blues Patron Margarita?
Blues Patron Margarita?
I'm still deciding.
Okay. You want a sugar or salt?
Salt, please.
Yes, they do. Want a picture of tequila. I should get the guava. Guava sounds good. Oh, this is frozen. Yeah,
I'll do the salt now, I'll do the birds.
There you go.
You?
You're ready?
I would like the guava margarita, please.
Guava.
That makes sense. Thank you.
You did finally get the girlier one.
Did finally get the girlier one.
Cheers. Salud.
That was the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. It is a great place to grab a margarita of all sorts of different flavors and colors and just hang out by the pool and enjoy your drink. They have frozen, they have on the rocks, anything that you want, and then they do have a few other options as well in addition to all the different margaritas. Definitely check it out next time you are on board. It is on every ship except for the Mardi Gras currently. That will change in the future when there are more ships. That's it for me here at the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar.